In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Paybis. Now, the first thing you want to do, you can click the link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment to actually go to the official Paybis website, and from there you have to create your account. In case you don't know how to create your account, I have a video tutorial on that as well on my channel, so make sure you watch that first and then come back over here once you have your account and you have the access to your member area dashboard over here. Now, after this, you want to click on the buy button to actually go to the exchange part over here, and then in here first you want to click on buy. So to buy crypto, here you first have to select how much you'd like to buy and then how you want to purchase it. So you can select your currency over here, these are all the available ones, and then after you select your currency, you can select the payment method as well. You have the option of a credit or debit card, PayPal, Revolut Pay, PaySafeCard, Skrill, SEPA Bank Transfer, or NetTeller, okay? We're gonna go with a credit/debit card right now for this tutorial. There we go. And then you can basically type in how much you'd like to spend. And for this video, we're gonna do 100 euros. In here, you can also enter in the promo code in case you have a promo code for Paybis as well. I do not, so I'm just going to skip this. And here you can go ahead and see how much of the specific crypto you will receive. Now, of course, Bitcoin is going to be selected by default, but you can just click on here and you can select which crypto you want to buy. There's a bunch of different crypto coins available, okay? We're just going to do some Ethereum for this tutorial. There we go. And then after you do it, you'll be able to see how much you actually receive, and you can click on buy and then whatever crypto there is listed. After you click on this, the next step is going to be, as you can see, there we go, you're going to have to select whether you actually want to receive your crypto onto your Paybis wallet, which is of course this wallet on Paybis, or if you want to receive it on an external wallet. Now what this means is an external wallet is basically a wallet, basically like a hot wallet, like maybe even Phantom, MetaMask. You can use Trust Wallet, Coinbase, Binance, whatever actually has a wallet address. I'm going to showcase this with Phantom over here. I just go to Phantom, click on Bitcoin, I click on receive, and I'll get a receiving wallet, and this is what you actually need, and you have to paste it in here. Make sure you double check it. So I actually made a mistake over here in case you weren't able to see. I'm actually getting Ethereum now, not Bitcoin, so you must find your crypto, and in my case it's Ethereum. There we go, and then receive, and then copy. There we go, and now it's the correct one. So make sure you actually do have the correct wallet address for the correct crypto token you're trying to buy. Do not make this mistake because this could result in a permanent loss of your crypto coins, okay? As well as your money, of course. So after you do it, you can click continue, or you can just scan this with a QR code. So let's say you have a Binance account on your mobile device, you can just go ahead and scan this and you'll be able to basically get your wallet address in there very easily, okay? So after that's done, click on continue. And after you do that, you have to select, for me, I have to select if I want to pay with GPay, so Google Pay or a new card. I'm going to just add a new card. And then you're going to have to put in all your card details, or of course maybe log into PayPal in case you selected PayPal as the payment method, or whatever you of course selected. It's going to differ a bit between all the methods. And after you put in all the required details, click on pay. If you haven't verified your account yet, you're going to have to go through a quick verification of your address and your ID as well as some other things. And after that's done, you'll be able to review your payment. And if everything looks good, you can go ahead and pay, complete your purchase, and you'll receive your crypto coins onto your wallet, either on here on Paybis or inside your external wallet like the ones I just listed earlier. So that's pretty much how you buy crypto on Paybis. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.